The unit step function is defined as ut equals 0 when t is less than 0, and it is 1 when t is greater or equal to 0. So when you draw a graph or on the number line, you can see 0 is here. So unit step function can be written as u0 t, or also can be written as u t minus 0, or you can simply call it ut. So the left side of this is 0 and the right side of this is 1. Now we'll be deriving the combination of step functions to the piecewise defined function, and we'll see the graph. Since we have ut minus 4 and ut minus 10, so you can see on the line that I have a 4 here and I have a 10 here. So we know that my combination of this function between 4 or 10 will be 1, and otherwise it will be 0. So then you can easily see that when my limit is t between 4 to 10, 10 is not inclusive, that will give me 1. Okay, so we'll write here just 1. And then otherwise it will be 0. So then the graph of this one will be now, as you see here, that when you have a 4 and you have a 10 here, so then you get a solid dot, goes all the way. This is open dot here because 10 is not included. Otherwise it will be 0 on this side. It's open hole here. This will be closed here, and then it go all the way. And this is the final graph of this. So now we are going to graph ft, which is 5t times ut minus 3 minus ut minus 10. So first look at the line here. So you go from 3 to 10. And we know from the definition that we will have 1 here. Otherwise it will be 0. All right. So then ft can be written as now the first part. So let me put the limits. We are going 0 lesser or equals t less than 3, 3 lesser or equals t less than 10, and then t is greater or equal to 10. So the first part we know it is 1, so we have 5t times 1, and the other parts will be 0. All right. So when you want to graph this, look like, so you put here 3 and then put here 10. So then left side of 3 between 0 is just 0. So you can say that I have a line like this here, open hole, and the closed hole, closed here. And then between 3 to 10, I have 5t. So when t is 3, it is 15. So from the graph, you need to take 15 and goes here 15, and then it goes up like this. And then you have open hole at 10. And then again, when it is greater or equal to, you have a closed here, and those goes all the way. And this is the graph of this function, and we are done.